Ever walked into a room and just stood there like, wait, why did I come in here? Or studied super hard for an exam, then sat down and your brain's like, nope, nothing here. Yeah, we've all been there, but why do we actually forget stuff? Is it a flaw in our brains? Or is it actually something smart? In this video, we're diving deep into your brain to uncover the hidden mechanics of forgetting and how you can actually pull back any memory you thought was long gone. So, why do we forget? What's going on in the brain? Forgetting isn't some random glitch. It's a deliberate system your brain uses to help you out. Scientists say forgetting is an active process. Your brain deletes old connections between neurons to make space for new, more important stuff. Your brain literally works to forget things, kind of like reverse learning. It helps keep your memory flexible and useful. You don't need to remember every tiny detail. Your brain knows that. That's why during deep sleep, it goes through everything. It strengthens useful memories and clears out the irrelevant ones. And there's another thing, memory interference. When two memories are similar, one can block the other. Your brain might suppress a memory just to help you focus on what matters now. So yeah, forgetting helps you think clearer. How do we actually remember what we studied? Memory is smart too. When you learn something, it doesn't go into one box. It's broken into pieces across a network. And in the middle of that network, a little brain region called the hippocampus, like your memory librarian. It links the pieces together into full moments. Sometimes one tiny trigger brings the whole thing back. Your friend says, remember that cafe? Boom! You see the place, smell the coffee, hear the siren outside. Remember the whole conversation. That's your brain reactivating the network. Cues and context equals powerful. 3 brain hacks to improve your memory. 1 sleep is magic. Right before you sleep, review your notes. During sleep, your brain is organizing everything. Studies even show that sounds or smells during sleep can boost memory recall the next day. So yeah, sleep isn't a break, it's mental storage time. 2. Use sensory cues link your study sessions to smells or locations. Your sense of smell is deeply tied to memory. Example, light a lemon candle while studying. Later, that same smell can bring memories rushing back. Also, the doorway effect. Walking into another room, your brain resets the memory scene. That's why you forget what you came for. 3. Study with multiple senses. Don't just read. Say it out loud. Watch a video. Draw the idea. The more senses you involve, the more brain areas you activate equals stronger memory. People who drew their notes remembered 45% more than those who only wrote them down. The takeaway, forgetting isn't failure. It's your brain's way of making space for the good stuff. So if you feel like your memory's weak, maybe it's just smart filtering. Work with your brain. Understand how it works. And next time you ask, why do I forget things? Just smile. Because now you know